Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to know about the vibrate setting on poco phone, like vibrate on touch, vibration in silent, vibration on touch. Okay, how to know about the setting on poco phone. So before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly friends, here you have to move on this setting. After you have been moved on the setting, here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the sound and vibration option. So friends, here you have to move on the sound and vibrations. When you have been moved on the sound and vibrations, you are going to find this screen, and from this screen you have to scroll on the down. Okay, just keep scrolling. When you scroll down, here you can see the vibrate while ringing. This is the vibrate. Okay, here is the vibrate while ringing, vibrate in silent mode, vibrate on touch, on top. So friends, if you want to deactivate or activate this vibration while ringing, then if you want to off the vibration while ringing, then just click on this icon. The vibration while ringing will be off, and if you want to on vibration while ringing, just click on this icon. Whenever the incoming call will be come, the vibration will be rings, vibration will be started. Okay, like ooh, 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 as okay. And here is second option is to vibrate in silent mode. If you want to activate this vibrate in silent mode, just click on this icon. The vibrate in silent mode will be on, and if you want to off again, you just click on this icon, it will be off. This is the vibrate on top. If you want to off this vibrate on top, whenever you are texting, messaging somebody and there is vibration, okay, or if suppose you are clicking on the setting and scrolling and there is vibrate, okay, as like that. Okay, if you want to off, just click on this icon off option, it will be off. And if you want to set the vibration strong, light, medium, you can set from here. Okay, you can select from here. There is 4 options. If you want to off, you can off also. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.